are you doing? Well, as you know, we cannot get out like our houses lately because of the air pollution. So we are going to have this tiny video in which I'm going to make a small review for you. You already know a few of those things. Actually, you know them all. So I will be showing you a few stuff and you will have some assignments. They are pretty easy for you because you already know those things. So don't worry at all. We are going to start with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. As you know, those express possession or ownership. Um, First, we go with adjectives. They are always used before a noun, and they can be my, your, its, our, or their. I will show you a few examples as this is my car, I like her dress, Luis is his friend, this is. The possessive pronoun usually is found at the end of the sentence. It could be mine, yours, theirs, ours, his, hers, or its. A possessive pronoun can replace a possessive adjective and the noun to avoid to repeat some information. For example, my shirt is green. This shirt is mine. His pillow is soft. The pillow is his. Our bird is noisy. The bird is ours. Your house is big. I suggest to take notes about this, and you will have an exercise referring to possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. You can write it on your blue notebook, or you can print it, answer it, and then paste it. So please do it. Now, idioms are those words and phrases which mean something totally different to the literal meaning. If we translate it word by word, they are not going to make sense because we understand them because of their popular use. Okay, we already checked those in class and we saw a few examples like those, which are over the moon, that is like you are super excited about something, or break a leg when you are wishing good luck to somebody, or piece of cake because something is pretty easy, or it's small world when you see somebody that you are not expecting. Cost an arm, a leg that is super expensive, or stuck between a rock and a hard place because you only have two rough options, or every blue moon because it's pretty rare, or bite my tongue to not to say something inappropriate. To practice idioms, I put a link on the page so you can go to that one and you can practice with a game. So in the game, you what need to do is to make match the idiom with what you think is the meaning. Some of those you might already have listened to them, some others no. So I will ask you to please write 3 different ones of the ones that we already saw and write the meaning that you think it is, please. Now, do you remember the other day that I was reading this pretty cool book about northern gods? And we talk about like Odin and Loki and Thor, and that there was the story of how Thor got his hammer, or talking about the Bifrost, that is like the bridge made of rainbow and stuff like that. Well, I just find a book for you. It is called Stories from Asgard, Norse Myths, and I hope you enjoy it. So please read your book, and when we can see each other, we are going to talk about which was your favorite story, okay? Also, I would like to take a little of your time to think about of the situation that we are living right now, and like think of some ideas of how can we as students, as kids, as teachers, as community, work against all those situations which are hurting our world. We already talked about these things on our project of globalization, about how our environment is being like hurt. But please think about it, and well, running from this thing that is going on now, please get some ideas so maybe we can start working on something pretty important to help our world. And I hope to see you soon. Love you and miss you a lot. Bye.